How to use advertising. Here are some tips for using advertising to reach more customers. Define your target audience. Before you start creating any ads, it's important to define who is your target audience. This will help you determine what type of advertising will work best for reaching them. Consider factors like their age, location, gender, interests, and income level. Set a budget. Advertising can be expensive, so you'll need to set a budget for your campaigns. How much you spend will depend on the type of advertising you choose and the size of your target audience. Start with a smaller budget and increase it as you see results from your ads. Choose the right channel. There are many different places where you can advertise, so it's important to choose the right channel for your business. Consider factors like your target audience, budget, and the type of message you want to send. Some popular advertising channels include television, radio, newspapers, magazines, online ads, and billboards. Create compelling ads. Your ads should be attention-grabbing and relevant to your target audience. They should also include a call to action that tells customers what you want them to do, such as call now or visit our website. Test and measure results. After you launch your ad campaign, be sure to measure the results so you can make adjustments if necessary. Track metrics like website traffic, sales, and customer engagement. This will help you determine whether your ads are effective and whether you need to make any changes. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.